TSE Grain Silo specializes in the steel silo field, delivering customized grain storage systems to more than 60 countries. Centered on intelligent integrated equipment, we combine 9 major subsystems, including unloading, cleaning, conveying, and temperature monitoring, into modular solutions tailored to diverse storage needs. Known for safety, reliability, and fast installation, our systems serve breweries, livestock enterprises, food processing plants, and grain logistics companies worldwide. With professional technology and global experience, we safeguard every grain from start to finish, enabling customers to upgrade storage and enhance value.